Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the retention tape that covers the camera ZIF connectors on the transfer board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bars up on the two camera ZIF connectors and disconnect the camera cables from the transfer board. Remove the two camera cables from the routing tabs and retention tape that secure them to the display enclosure. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the camera module bracket to the display enclosure. Lift the camera module bracket off of the camera module and remove. Carefully separate the camera module from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the camera module.